What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to talk about something really important that I wanted to add to this previous series that I did on Clickbank, and something that is really important if you want to get the most out of your affiliate marketing campaign. So in the past couple of months, basically I'd say 2 months, I've been doing a Clickbank series and then showing how to make money on Clickbank using Bing advertising. So what I want to share in this video with you, and this is going to be a quick one, I want to share a couple of other niches that you should definitely know about. Because the thing is, when we do Clickbank, when I teach Clickbank, I'll always focus on main niches such as weight loss, health and beauty, dating, or what was the other one? Make money online, right? So those are top Clickbank niches, and those are type of products that everyone's promoting. But there's a lot more products on Clickbank that you should definitely know about, and if you know how to promote them, if you have the right strategy, again, something that I was teaching in those previous videos, as well as the main training that I have, which is the Gold Masterclass. You're going to find a lot of good products to promote that are, not many people are promoting them at the same time. They're very powerful, and the conversion rate on these products are really, really high. Because the thing is, when you promote products that are less popular, or basically the niche is a little bit smaller, people are not being bombarded with information or with different products at the same time. So this way it's going to be much easier for you to sell them, and the conversion rate is going to be a lot higher. So that's what I want to share with you. So in this video, I'm going to share 3 niches that you should definitely promote as a Clickbank affiliate. All right, so let's talk about them. So the first thing I want to share with you, which is one of my favorite niches, is green products and alternative energy. This is one of the things that is just growing like crazy, and there's a good product on it on Clickbank as well. This is the Power Efficiency Guide. Now this is my own landing page for it. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of things going on in here. So I'm promoting this product, and it's converting very, very well for me. All right, so that's the first thing. Again, as we all know, green products and basically green energy or clean energy is growing, and this is one of the things you should definitely check out. So yeah, there's a lot of things, and mostly one of the things, based on the tests that I've been doing and the sales that I've been making, most of the people in this niche, or most of the people who are interested in such products, usually have the money to invest. So selling is not that hard, all right, if you have a good product, obviously. Now this is a good product, so you should definitely check it out. All right, so that's the first thing. The second thing I want to share with you, which is another thing that is just simple, but over the years, if you check out the Google Trends, you're going to see that over the years, people are actually getting into these stuff more and more, and it's just growing slowly but surely. And that is languages, specifically, Western European languages like German and French. This is something you should definitely check out. There's a whole lot of them on Clickbank. So in this particular, I'm personally promoting anything French related. For example, this product, this is one of the things, because they have a landing page, so they actually capture the lead for you. So it's pretty good. There's a lot of good stuff, and this is one of the products that I'm promoting. So yeah, this is a good product. Again, language products are really, really good, and people will spend money on it because people who are really into learning a language usually do anything they can to learn it. And if you have a good product to put in front of them, obviously you're gonna earn money from it. So third one, which is something that I've noticed that I've mentioned before a couple of times, but I really haven't got into it, really haven't shared much detail about it, and that is the survival niche. So if you go to self-help, and if you go to survival here, you're gonna find a lot of product related to survival. Now, survival is a big niche. Sometimes it's just much bigger than dating, or what's the other one, the weight loss. And there's a lot of people who are interested in these stuff, and if you actually pay attention on YouTube, there's a lot of shows and videos and all that stuff about survival, because it's such a huge niche, and people actually spend money on this, on the gear and the just learning, the whole training and everything, how to survive in different situations. So it's a pretty big niche, and if you have a good product, you can make good money out of it. And this, the Lost Ways, is actually one of the oldest and best survival products on Clickbank. Something that I've been promoting for a while. It's not something new to me, but it's something that, again, a lot of people are skipping, really, because it's kind of a it's a strange niche really, but it's powerful. There's a lot of money to be made here, so you should definitely check it out. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. I'm kind of trying the new video style, as you can see. Let me know what you think about it. Also, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you've been promoting any of these products and what are your results and all that stuff. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more, you should definitely check out the link in the description. That's going to take you to my training. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you in the next video, guys.